Alright, quick video. This is the project. It's all of my magnets. That's the ribbon cable that connects there. These tabs actually aren't needed anymore due to these magnets. So, I don't know if the video shows, but it really sucks it in. Holds it pretty firm. I mean, I could pull with the volume knob, but you have to try. It's not coming off there. The unit is mounted here. There's some clips. I had to notch the cage, notch it there for clearance for our magnets, which are held in there, 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 and there. So the cabinet, the cage has been modified so the clip's clear without an issue. I do need to take a little off the back here, because this is protruding just a hair. So I'll probably machine this, just take a little bit off. Here's how I modified the cage. I slotted it for the screws. I marked where they were, then made a measurement. Went up there. I put a slot so I can move it back and forth. And this is the join unit. You can see all the connections. We've got optical. I believe there's a SPDIF somewhere. There's all kinds of inputs. Anyhow. Drop it back on one last time. Boom. And next video I'll have it powered up.